there are certain determinants of success. And he writes that at the core of it all is the following: to foster a culture of discipline. What is discipline? Exemplified so clearly in the life of Ibrahim sallallahu alayhi wasallam. In Arabic, we loosely translate it as al-indibat. In English, they say discipline, although the word discipline has negative connotations. You say discipline, you think of restriction, you think of punishment. But this is not what I speak of today. I speak of the discipline that was defined by Abraham Lincoln many years ago, who said discipline is your ability to choose between what you want now and what you want most. It's your ability to say no when deep down you really want to say yes.